Now come in VAM or VOGEL. It is my most favorite method, VAM and or VOGEL. In this we need to find out the penalty. This P and this P. Take smallest, then second smallest, subtract both. 3 minus 2 is 1. Like here, smallest, then second smallest, second smallest, 4 minus 1, 3, smallest, then second smallest, 4 minus 5, 1. Here also we take smallest 4 and then 5, 1. Now in penalty, check which is the largest penalty. Largest penalty is 4. In this row, see smallest element 2. Same before do, which is smallest, 12 or 22, 12. Like that, solve whole question and find out TP. TP is 104. Then do like that. If you want, need to show this. It is must need to show in exam. Okay.